They will unsubscribe if they don't even want to, but they have to because you don't give them the choice. Hi, this is Andrew, the founder of Flowium email marketing agency, as well as this YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to discuss the importance of preference page or preference center. It's called different in different software. But basically it's a page when your customer click unsubscribe or manage preference, they redirect it to the page, the landing page, where they can either update their preferences, what kind of emails they want to receive from you, or where they can unsubscribe.
Hey, if you're a small business owner and you'd like to receive $1,000 of no strings attached grant money, this is a video for you to watch. But first, hey, I'm Doon. I'm the founder and the host of Female Startup Club, a popular podcast show all about entrepreneurship where I interview some of the world's most exciting and successful female entrepreneurs to learn about how they built their business, what their tactical tips are, and any insights they can give us. Here's how to enter if you're interested in the cash giveaway. Go to flowium.com/giveaway and follow the prompts to enter. And my tip to you is to make sure you refer as many entrepreneurs in your network as you have. Good luck!
As Klaviyo email marketing software for e-commerce become more and more popular. By the way, Klaviyo, this is just an example because we work exclusively with them. However, I see it on all the platforms as well. So when you click unsubscribe or manage preference, in 80 or even 90%, I get redirected to default page, and default page looks like this. So this is the default page you will get from Klaviyo, and again, 90% or even more like people, customers, companies use this default page. Just say, sorry to see you go, unsubscribe, that's it. And this is the preference page where I can just update my first and last name. When people unsubscribe, it does not mean they want to. However, you don't give them a choice, because on your preference page, I can update only my first name, last name, and email. And on unsubscribe page, there's like huge call to action, unsubscribe, and people click unsubscribe. However, there is better way. And the better way, show you an example of the page we designed it, and I'll explain you why it's better way. So here's the example of the same landing page in Klaviyo that we built, and here you empower your customer to make a choice. Yes, they can click here, unsubscribe from all email, and they can update their preference, and they will be removed from your system. However, before they do, maybe they want to unsubscribe from specific email, so email preference, you see, maybe they do not want to receive words for the soul. But what is words for the soul? That's why we have this icon for more information, and it explains, or new style, and here we explain that twice a weekly email announcing our new product. So maybe they just want to have Sunday blogs, words and soul, and that's it. And this is collection this line have. So maybe they just want to receive yoga dress pants and yoga shirts, and they click update preference. This is the better way, because before they unsubscribe, they're like, oh, maybe I don't want to unsubscribe, but I don't want to receive all their emails. I want to have specific emails and about specific collection. First of all, it saves you customer or subscriber. They do not unsubscribe. So this is number one. This is the biggest thing. Second thing, they are segmenting themselves in terms of like what they want, what they don't want. So you can personalize your email much better because you keep that property in your database. We have few videos about preference page. If you use Klaviyo, we have other few videos how to build it from scratch. Those videos do not show you how to make it as nice as I have it here, because we have a whole team designing and coding in this format, but we have a video how to set up the basic preference page, and it will take you not more than 15 minutes to do it. So I urge you to check those out and set it up today. It will, again, decrease your unsubscribe rate and improve your segmentation automatically. In case you have any additional questions, feel free to leave them below under this video, and I'm checking them often and will respond to them. Thank you.